this video about Lal Parpit and Albertotti's legacy. The first sons of Lal Parpit and Albertotti are the Boniko boys, aka Bilashaka Lions, and second is the Incognito boys, signed by Incognito Bride and Lal Parpit and Albertotti. They are the second coalition of signed by Lal Parpit and Albertotti. And third, Lal Parpit and Albertotti signed a single male who is the partner of Halftail. And fourth, the Ishiketa Aka of Mid Boys. They are also sons of Lal Parpit and Albertotti. We must say the three coalitions and one single male signed by Lal Parpit and Albertotti. They are the legends of Masai Mara. Lal Parpit and Albertotti's most famous sons are Bilashaka Boys. Thanks for watching.